Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Anu Bajaj. Today we'll be discussing the poem We Are the Music Makers by author William Eger O'Shaughnessy. Let's get started. Music makers are writers, artists, musicians, and with their creative, unique ideas fill the world with their creativity. Their style of working, their living is different from rest of the world. They live in isolation, keep on wandering, keep themselves active, alert, agile, and move with the flow of life. They gather ideas from the environment and create new and innovative products by linking and modifying old ideas. So, always on experimenting mode and exercising to have something special, different, and unique. Artists are the reason behind to have pragmatic society with forward thinking ahead of time. Their contribution is immense, their efforts are laudable. Indeed, they are truly an inspiration to the workers because of their extraordinary, peculiar creative bent of mind. The similarities among all the music makers are a few. Deep inside similarities lay their diverse thoughts and contribution to the world has been able to entertain the people. Group of music makers is huge, each trying to illuminate the world by their music in terms of their creations and spread the message of joy and happiness. To be an artist requires a lot of sacrifice, self-giving, exercising self-control, and even living external to the society. The poet has described throughout the poem the diversity in the music makers by addressing the similarities. The work of music maker is an impossible treat to the regular workers. The poem bestows a positive glow and indicates the significance of not just the individuals but all of us. The theme of the poem is diversity. There are certain similarities in every music maker to entertain the world, yet different can be entertainers. The motive is the same, that is to bring infinite joy to the world, but the methods of doing so are very different, special, and one of its kind. Artists work in different fields with different methods and with different people. Music makers have tremendous potential to achieve anything big. They are capable enough to cross the boundaries to get their aims fulfilled. They live in separate times and create masterpieces along with diversities in every time period. The poet O'Shaughnessy considers himself as a music maker and hopes that his readers are also capable of making music to someone in their lives. A music maker is a person who creates music of various types for the people. They are dreamers of dreams. They are movers and shakers. They are lost in the world of creativity. They depend upon their imagination to make music in the lives of people around them. They have constantly affected the past, the present, and the future. Music makers are creators and teach the world how to use what is created and striving to make the world a better place to live in. Thank you. Tip of the day: lust, greed, anger, all negative vices robs of mental peace of a person, leaving him or her devastated, unproductive. Whereas by practicing altruism and keeping calm approach makes him capable to deal with life complexities in effective way, therefore helpful in leading stress-free life. In my next tutorial, I will be discussing another poem titled Crossing the Bar by Alfred Lord Tennyson, illustrating an accepting attitude towards death. The poem symbolizes traveling from life to death. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe, and do take good care of yourself.